Vertebrates and Invertebrates. From our previous lesson, we talked about types of animals classified under vertebrates. Today we will go further in order to know more about vertebrates and invertebrates. By the end of this lesson, you would be able to 1. Explain what vertebrates and invertebrates are. 2. Highlight examples of invertebrates and vertebrates that we see all around us and those we haven't encountered. 3. Identify other differences between vertebrates and invertebrates aside from the presence or absence of backbone or spinal cord. Let's get right into the topic by giving a brief background of invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates can be simply identified as animals that cannot have a backbone. They are found almost everywhere, from the hottest deserts and the deepest seabuds to the darkest caves and the tallest mountains. They mainly lack a skeletal system. This means most of them do not possess a rigid body structure and as a result cannot grow very large. Vertebrates, on the other hand, are the most advanced of species in the animal kingdom. Members possess a well-defined internal skeletal system, which includes a backbone. In humans, the spinal cord runs along the body between the caudal and the cranial regions, connecting nerve tissues. On average, the overall count of vertebrates existing on planet Earth is around 57,000 to 58,000. Now let's explore some of the major differences between vertebrates and invertebrates, which are: 1. Invertebrates possess an exoskeleton, which means that their skeletons are outside their bodies, while vertebrates possess an endoskeleton, which means that their skeletons are within their bodies. 2. Invertebrate body size varies, but most are generally smaller than vertebrates because they do not have an internal structure. However, some grow to gigantic proportions, such as the colossal squid, which is about 46 feet in length. Most invertebrates have an open circulatory system, while vertebrates have a closed circulatory system. Examples of invertebrates are snails, squids, octopus, earthworms, etc., while examples of vertebrates are mammals, birds, fish, and so on. Invertebrates make up 95% of the animal species, while vertebrates make up the remaining 5%. From what we have learned today, we can see that most invertebrates are generally smaller than vertebrates because of their internal structure. Some examples of invertebrates are snails, worms, etc., while some examples of vertebrates are humans, tilapia, hummingbirds, etc. We have also learned that invertebrates have their skeletons outside their body, while vertebrates have theirs inside their body. I believe by now you have learned about your vertebrates and invertebrate animals. You should be able to differentiate between them and can now identify examples of invertebrate animals, especially when you see them in your environment. See you in our next class. Bye.